Hi guys, so today I got a package. It arrived earlier than I thought it would. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but yeah, I have this slight cold, so. But anyway, so I finally got my package. Sorry, and I'm going to open this. There was a hole here when I got it, but the things look okay, so yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Okay. So yeah. First oh. So yeah, I bought two magazines, and these are the ones with EXO-M in. And as freebies, I got these two. Oh, so I'm just going to open these. Yeah, so I got like jelly bracelets. Oh, and I was actually thinking of buying these, or not exactly these ones. They are in a slightly different kind, but yeah. But I got these as freebies or gifts, so that was really nice of them. But now to the magazines. So I'm going to take out the wrapper or the plastic sleeve. There are some artists that I recognize on the covers. They're like on both sides. So yeah. It's because I used to listen to a lot of, I used to be really into the Taiwanese pop music. So yeah. So I guess. Wait a minute. So I guess we'll start with the older one. And the reason why I bought these magazines was because I really just bought it on impulse, because I don't know, I just got this urge to buy EXO stuff, and yeah. So as I said, I am trying to save money, and I was not really supposed to buy these magazines, but now I have, and yeah, I'm just trying to save money right now. So I also have Hangul here. So yeah. Now I'm trying to look for the interesting pages. So I can also show you Hangul. I'm sorry, this is going to take a while because I don't really know where EXO-M is. Oh, it has some Super Junior here. So I guess it's, yeah, Super Junior KRY. I have another big picture of them. Sorry for the glare. And so I got a poster. Ooh. Like that, and it's of course of Hangul, and that's actually pretty nice because I like him. So it's not kind of some random Chinese artist that I don't really know. And then you got these I don't know, cards, but I don't really know who these people are. So yeah. I guess EXO-M is in the back or on the last pages. Oh, no, they're in the middle. So okay. So it's this photo shoot. when they are wearing the suits and also t-shirts. So I'm sorry. So there are some Christmas or fashion moments. Also, Topchen and Shuhan. And there weren't anything more. So there weren't that many pictures at all in this magazine, but I knew that, but I still wanted to buy it because it has an EXO-M and this picture is so cute. So yeah, that was this magazine. And now we have the other one. So I'm just going to check if we get a poster again. And cards as well. I don't really know these people. I know this guy. So he's called his international name is Joe. Look at the posters. Yeah. Oh, MIC. I've heard of them, but I haven't really listened to their songs. And then we have another man group, boy group. I don't know. Yeah, but to the magazine, and this they're like two fronts. And here's Aaron and Cheeto and EXO. And so this magazine only had and we should and back we have also show and dancing and Wang Zi. Anyway, so this magazine there's only the China line, so which is a bit sad because why? Okay, so the first page is like these big pictures of Chris and Tao, and I really like this picture. Oh my god, it's so HD or HQ, high quality. Yeah, so these are my favorite EXO-M members. Okay. Then we have Wuhan and Lei. Sorry. And they look really good. So, I'm going to zoom in on fishing or Lei because my friend is really into him. Then we have other people I know, but I can show you. I'm going. Ta-da. And I also know this guy, actually. I know many people. Oh, I also have Chiru. Or Tadong. And then we have Hope. So there are like many pictures, but you can see EXO, Lei, Tao, Aaron, Hanggang. Is that it's called I don't remember his name, but I know his name, but I don't remember. Yeah, and then we have Chris and some dude in Wuhan and many other people that I recognize a lot of them. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, so Chris is the first one. Sorry for the glare. Yeah. He's so handsome, so tall, and Tao. I I just really adore Tao because he's so. Here is Lei and Luhan. Another picture of Chris. So here we have Luhan. I really love that these pictures are so big. Then we have Lei. So pretty. Can you see it? And I actually think that was it. Not too sure. I might just as well show you Hangam with this blonde hair. Yeah, so that was basically everything. This video is quite long. I need to cut it down. But yeah, so I'm really happy to have these magazines in my collection. I'm trying to make my EXO collection bigger, but the things that I want to buy, they're like crazy expensive. Yeah, especially the magazines, because they're more like official stuff, and then there are like these unofficial things that I don't really want to buy. But yeah, but I just hope they come back like now, because I'm on this shopping mood. So whenever I'm bored, I go on eBay or whatever, and I start looking at things that I might want to buy, and it's really not good because then I will have no money left for their comeback. So they need to make their comeback now so I can spend my money on those things. Yeah, so make a comeback. Yeah, so that was everything. And I'm really happy that I got these, because now I don't really have to buy those, because they're like including shipping, it's around $5 to just buy those. So yeah, I didn't really want to spend $5 on stuff like that. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my weird unboxing video. There's no package that I'm waiting for anymore. That was the last one. I might do vlogs or something, cable tags next week, because I really wanted to do something like that. But otherwise there is no unboxing video coming up. I'm sad as well, but yeah, we will just hope that EXO will make the comeback so I can, buy the stuff, because I'm saving for that and my trip to London and my graduation. Yeah, bye, see you in the next video.